Hello folks, in today's video I'm looking at a new microphone from a brand that's more well known for producing professional video equipment. This is the Feelworld PM1. It's their brand new dynamic microphone. The PM1 is a dual input microphone supporting XLR and USB-C input. It's a dynamic microphone and is marketed at podcasting, general recording, streaming, and for gaming. So basically it's aimed at everyone. This is a very brief video showcasing the PM1 microphone. So let's get started. Now folks, before I continue, if you enjoy tech and gaming related content, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It costs you nothing and really helps me out. If you enjoy this video, please hit that like button and feel free to leave any questions or comments and I'll do my best to come back to you. So let's kick things off with an unboxing. And here is the box. It actually looks rather nice, and in the box you get the following items. You get a weighted round metal base. This is part of the desktop microphone stand which is included in the box. You get a small metal stand attachment. You get a USB Type-C cable, a XLR cable, the PM1 microphone itself, and an instruction manual. Now, I should mention that the USB-C cable that's provided has a USB-C and a USB-A connection port on it. Rather than giving you an adapter, it's actually got both USB-A and C connectors, so you can pick whichever one is relevant to you. So let's take a closer look at the Feelworld PM1 dynamic microphone, and I have to say it actually feels really nice. It feels solid and well made. It has a full metal body, so it's rugged and durable. Here is a quick overview of the microphone. This is the microphone foam capsule. It's removable and you can see the actual microphone head inside. This is an integrated metal mount which you can use on a boom arm or with the included desktop microphone stand, which I will cover in a minute. This is an RGB lighting ring. It acts as an indicator when adjusting the volume and switching between the microphone volume and the headphone volume. It also turns red when you mute the microphone. This is the volume dial. Now it actually rotates non-stop, but it does have an incremental feedback as you turn the dial. And finally, on the back of the microphone, you have all the connection ports, which consist of a 3.5mm headphone jack, a USB Type-C port, and an XLR port. The overall build quality is really good. It's got a reassuring amount of weight to it and an all-metal body, so it's durable and tough. The design also looks really nice, and from an angle, it sort of reminds me of the Shure SM7B. Now, what do you think of the design of this microphone? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, so let me show you the stand that comes with this, because it's actually really nice and compact. It's easy to assemble as well. You simply screw the attachment on the round base like this, then screw the microphone on top. It's really quick and easy. And I have to say, the stand feels really good quality as well. It's all metal and the base is weighted, it's solid and won't fall over. Overall, the actual desktop stand is really nice and it's compact, and you can keep the microphone on your desk without cluttering up your workspace. One thing I would add about the stand is that as nice as it looks, it is rather low, which could be an issue as the optimum range to speak into the microphone is between 3 to 15 centimeters. It would have been nice if it had some kind of height adjustment, as you'll have to lean into it to get the optimal recording range, which can become rather uncomfortable. Alternatively, you can just hold the actual stand on your hand while recording, which ultimately defeats the point of a microphone stand. Here is a quick overview of the specs of the Feelworld PM1 microphone. The PM1 has an all-metal body and comes with a metal desktop stand. It's a dynamic microphone with a cardioid polar pattern. It's dual input and supports XLR and USB Type-C connections. It's plug and play via USB Type-C, and you can connect it to mixers and other audio devices via the XLR input. It has an integrated 3.5mm headphone jack, so you can monitor the audio in real time. It has an integrated RGB light ring, which also acts as an indicator. For example, when you mute the microphone, the light ring turns red. It has an ultra-wide frequency response of 50 Hz all the way up to 14 kHz. One of the things I like about this microphone is the dual input options. You can connect to mixers and other audio devices via the XLR input, as I've already stated, and it comes with a really good quality XLR cable. However, if you want a really minimal setup, then the quickest and easiest way to use this microphone is via the USB Type-C connection, and it comes with a Type-C cable as well. Just plug the microphone into your Mac or Windows system and that's it. It will work straight away without the need for any additional software or drivers. Now, I'm going to quickly connect the PM1 microphone to my MacBook Pro using the Type-C cable, so it's nice and quick. So this is the list of microphones connected to my MacBook Pro. Now, the PM1 actually is showing up on the list, but it's coming up as a USB audio device rather than being named as PM1. I'm not sure why that is. Maybe it's a Mac thing, but the USB audio device is the PM1 microphone. And if you want to hear how the PM1 sounds, well, this whole voiceover that you're listening to right now actually has been recorded using the Feelworld PM1 on Audacity. So what do you think of the sound quality? Let me know in the comments below. Overall, I think the Feelworld PM1 is a really good microphone. It's got good build quality, it offers dual connectivity, and I like the fact that it comes with everything you need in the box. Both an XLR and a Type-C cable is provided, and you also get a decent desktop stand, which is nice and compact and doesn't take up too much desktop space. The Feelworld PM1 is really well priced as well, currently at only $79.99, which I think is a really fair price. If you're interested in the PM1 microphone, I'll leave a link in the video description below. Well folks, thanks for watching. I hope you found this brief video helpful. If you have, please click that like button and consider subscribing to my channel. Until next time, take care and I'll see you on the next one.